What's up, everyone? If you are searching for a genuine way to get the highest discount on Hostinger right now, you're in the right place. Most standard coupon codes only unlock about 10% off, but when you use my referral code, you will receive an additional 20% discount that stacks beautifully with their current promotions. To make things effortless for you, I've added my special 20% Hostinger referral code in the video description, tailored specifically for different countries with proper local currency and language support. Choose the one that belongs to your region and click through. It will take you straight to the official Hostinger homepage. Head over to the navigation menu at the top and select Products and Services. There you will discover the full range of Hostinger's hosting solutions and plans. The beauty is that my referral discount is valid on every single hosting package they offer, giving you complete freedom to select the perfect one for your project or business. Just to show you the process live, today I am demonstrating with their self-hosted N8N solution. You will see several powerful VPS style options listed: KVM1, KVM2, KVM4 and KVM8. I am choosing the KVM2 plan because it delivers excellent resources without breaking the bank. Once you add your chosen plan to the cart and move to the checkout page, you will immediately see my 20% discount reflected in the final amount. It really is that easy to save more with Hostinger. If this tutorial saved you some extra cash today, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel so you never miss future deals and discount guides. Appreciate you watching. Stay smart with your money.